Welcome to English Practice Every Day. This visual English practice video is for beginner level learners. In this video, we will describe an image in very simple English with short, clear, and easy to understand sentences. Throughout our practice, I will highlight important words, phrases, and phrasal verbs. Let's start. Please speak out loud with me as we practice. In the image, we see two people sitting on a dark green wooden bench. The bench is long and has straight lines. It looks strong and clean. There are green plants and flowers behind the bench. The plants are tall and leafy. Some have long, pointed leaves. There are also some pink flowers that look like hibiscus. They add a nice touch of color to the background. The man is on the left side of the image. He has a thick beard and brown hair. His beard is very full and covers most of his face. He is wearing a black coat with white cuffs, and he has a serious or thoughtful look on his face. He is leaning forward and pointing with his finger. His hand is hanging over the back of the bench. It looks like he is trying to explain something. He seems to be in the middle of a conversation. The woman is sitting on the right side. She looks calm, but also a little bored or upset. She is not looking at the man. She is looking straight ahead, a little to the side. Her face shows no smile. Her posture is very straight. She sits with her back straight and one arm resting on the bench. Her other hand holds a light brown parasol, meaning an umbrella for the sun. The parasol is closed and placed across her lap. Her fingers wrap around the wooden handle. She is dressed in a gray dress with black buttons down the front. The dress has long sleeves and a black ribbon tied in a bow at her neck. She wears a black belt around her waist. A glove in her left hand is mustard yellow and fits tightly on her hand. She is also wearing a light beige or cream-colored hat. The hat looks soft and fuzzy, maybe made of felt or wool. Her clothes look old-fashioned, like from the 19th century. The colors in the picture are calm and gentle. The green of the plants and the bench give a peaceful feeling. The gray of the woman's dress and the black of the man's coat make them look formal. The yellow glove and beige hat add a bit of warmth. The pink flowers in the background brighten the scene. The whole setting feels quiet and still. The man and woman are close, but they seem far apart emotionally. The man is trying to talk or maybe explain something. He leans in and uses his hands to show what he means. The woman, on the other hand, sits back and does not join in. She looks like she is thinking about something else. Maybe she is annoyed or tired. Her body language says she does not want to talk. It seems like they are not on the same page. This image shows a moment that feels very real. The body language speaks louder than words. The man wants to get through to her, but she is holding back. It might be a small disagreement or just a quiet moment between them. Let's look at the positions again. The man is leaning forward with both hands over the bench. His hands point downward. One finger is pointing, maybe making a strong point. He is using body language to support his words. He seems more active. The woman is very still. Her back is straight, her hands are calm, and her eyes look away. Her closed parasol lies across her lap, and she is holding it gently. Around the bench, there are large pots with plants in them. One blue pot stands out on the right side of the image. It has white marks on it, maybe from wear or age. The floor under the bench is stone or tile, which shows this might be a garden or greenhouse. This picture uses natural light. There are no shadows that look too strong. Everything is clear and easy to see. The light helps show the soft colors of the scene. In short, this is a quiet moment between two people. The man leans in, trying to reach out. The woman sits back, keeping her distance. Their clothes, their faces, and their hands tell the story. The garden around them adds a peaceful feeling. It's a picture full of small details that say a lot. That's the end of our practice. I urge you to keep describing your surroundings in simple English to become more fluent. Bye for now.